Hey guys, Beth here. So today I'm coming to you with an update on my Panner's Pan, Project Pan. This was created by Cookie Pans. I'll have her link down below. I think she changed her name. It's an Instagram account, but I seen Paula, a beauty guru, made me do it doing this project for the last couple years, last year, maybe 2 years. And I thought I would join in, and I did this year. So I have an update. I haven't updated in a few months, so I have a lot of stuff to like roll out, roll in. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So the first item wasn't with me. I had to get up and get it, but I have this SGX NYC. It's the Peacemaker Beachy Texture Spray. Now I have this in for VRT. I'll have her down below, but it's Valerie. She is on Instagram, and she was working on a CGX product, not the same one. And this is the only one that I have, and I thought, let's put that in. We don't have a lot of the same makeup, but I think I'm about right here. So I've been making steady progress kind of between these updates. I should have it completely done by the next update. We are rolling into fall, so I have less and less time to use it. I kind of only use it on the weekends because I don't want my hair to have beach waves at work. I put my hair up kind of like this every day at work. Tomorrow is Monday, so I put a hair mask in my hair when I showered today, so my hair is very soft. Hopefully I won't have any frizz tomorrow. But that is for Valerie, and I'm glad to have her in still. She's a sweetheart. The next item is for Jessica Lee, and it's my Carly Bible palette. As I mentioned in the intro, they panned this palette, her and a bunch of people in the Fantastic Ladies, I believe. And my goal is just no pan left behind, and I hit that goal. So wrong palette. That's the Jaclyn Hill. That one's in for someone else. There we go. They look almost the same in color, but one's a little bit smaller. So here's the Carly Bible palette. I love Carly Bible. This is the deluxe edition. I did use every single shade. Eventually I'd like to come back to it and finish up these two that I hit pan in, because I really did enjoy those two eyeshadows, and maybe like even hit pan in another eyeshadow later. So this will roll in later on. These highlighters are like ridiculously beaming, so I don't know about those, but I feel like I could use up like at least these two eyeshadows in the future, and then maybe this one here, hit pan on that one, and maybe that one. But it's a pretty palette, and I'm glad I got to use it in this project and get it out of here for now. The next item is a makeup palette. I'm looking for it. I just cleaned my bathroom, so I have everything kind of like everywhere. Let me go find it. Okay, it was right in front of me. I have Q-tip stuff on my lips. I have notepads inside, but here is my Modern Renaissance, and this is for Lainey. Lainey, I believe, was panning this palette. I think it's her pan that palette this year still. And my goal was to get no pan left behind originally, and then I extended it to hit pan on Vermeer, and I have hit pan. You guys can see the pan right there. I just used it as an inner corner highlight, so I didn't put it all over my eyelid like that often, but I think I did a few times, so you see kind of like a bigger dip, and then it kind of goes down. So yeah, there is that. And I would also like to continue, like try to finish up a couple of these eyeshadows. So like Cypress Umber, the dark brown I could use in my eyebrows. Primavera I'd like to use up, and maybe even burnt orange because I have such a big pan in there. Venetian red I love. Yeah, so I don't know, I want to use this. There's just not enough days in the year left, I feel like, with my pan palette going on. But anyway, I'm so glad I got use out of that, and I hit pan in another shade. Let me turn the page in my notebook. Okay. The next one is this Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I put this in for Chic Geek. She I can't remember if it's her Pan That palette. But anyway, my goal is no pan left behind. I have 2 eyeshadows left to hit goal on. I have, let's see, this one here. I haven't used Cran Apple, which is so pretty. I don't know why I haven't used it yet. Let me kind of swatch it for you guys. See that? That is so pretty. And then I haven't used, let's see, it's such a big palette, it's hard to like tell. It's 4 over, 3 down. So this one here, which I think that would go great with a Crown Apple actually. I probably should have used these ones today, but instead I used this purple color on my outer V, and then I used Central Park in my eyebrows today. So I did use 2, and I just have 2 more. Definitely, I'll have this done by the next update. Like I said, we're approaching fall, and these fall colors are exactly what I go for in the fall. So there's that. I'm going to put it back here because I have some, so I can unveil the ones that are all waiting to be talked about. But there's that. So one more time, I should have it done. And I wasn't really marking like how many uses that took me to get the no pan left behind. Like I have, if I put today in for September, I have like 3 marks on my notebook, and I know I used it a lot more times than that. Oh, I have one more I haven't used. Hold on. I see now. I have one more. There's 3. So it might take me another couple of, this one here might take me at least 2 uses. So this one will not, I don't think it's going to go with Cran Apple and this one here. So I'll probably do 2 separate looks for this. Hopefully by the next update. That was only 1 this month. So, and it was like today. So we'll see. Hopefully I could get it 2 done. Okay, the next YouTuber, it's a YouTuber, it's Jaylon. I said her name wrong last time. I'm so sorry, Jaylon. It's for Turn and Burn. She does Turn and Burn. She has so many samples. And I was like, let me use some of my perfume samples. Now I had left over, actually one that's not a perfume, and then Love by Kilian, and I believe that's it. So the one that's not perfume is the MAC Fix Plus. It's just this little bitty sample. I finished that up, and then the other sample, yeah, is Love by Kilian. I said I liked it in the last video. I really don't remember it at this point because, oh, I tried to pull it open and the whole thing came up. Yeah, I do like this. It has like, I think it's like a sweet kind of like ambery scent to it and vanilla. It smells really nice. I do like this. I would pick up another sample of it. I don't know if I would buy the whole perfume bottle. It says don't be shy, Kilian. It's a perfume. So Jaylon's out, and next was another YouTuber. It's Jen. I mostly watch YouTube, you guys. Instagram is not really like a thing I like to go on too much. I like to watch YouTube while I get ready in the mornings. But for Jen Project Beauty, I have in Champagne Pop. I have the hugest pan. Like when I can't think in the morning, I'm in a hurry, I just grab this one. It's so pretty. I went over by 12 uses. My goal was to hit pan. After I hit pan, I used it at least 12 more times. I believe it was more, but this is such a pretty highlighter, and I have other highlights I need to use. So I'm going to put it away for a little bit. I don't want to, but yeah, I'm going to have to. And it's so pretty. If you guys picked it up during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, like I promise you're going to like it. So next I have in is for Daylin, and she's the Partners in Cream creator with Steph Lyons. I have the Bye Bye Foundation SPF 50. I believe she's working on this if she hasn't finished it already. Now I am, like you could see like through the packaging right here, but I believe I'm right here. So I feel like I have a few more months to go. I don't know if I'll be able to finish it by the end of the year, but this project isn't like a yearly project pan. It just kind of continues on. So I'll have it done eventually. So I'm still working on that for Daylin. I'll have everybody linked down below again. She's wonderful. Next is for Steph Lyons. I have the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo, and my goal is to hit pan. I think I'm going to change that, you guys, because there's no way. I don't know when I'll hit pan on this. I don't know. Maybe I'll leave it because there is no end date. Let's just leave it. I used it today. The first time I used it in September. I used it twice in August. So I'm not getting good use out of it, but I'm going to leave it in. It is a cream product, and I do want to get use out of that. Next is for Rebecca S. Now, Rebecca is panning and stuff, and I put in Sunset Glow. She was working on a perfume. I don't know if I can't. Now, I keep thinking it's Bath and Body Works, but maybe it was Victoria's Secret. She was working on a rose scented body spray. She finished hers up so quickly. Now, I have to like peel the package back. I am like right here. Okay, and this has been months. I've been working on this since March? No. May? Yeah, May. Because I have May, June, and then I didn't use it at all in July. Then I have August and September uses. So I'm going to mark it right here, right now, so I don't forget. And eventually, hopefully I'll have it done. Body sprays take me forever, you guys. I don't know how people get through them so fast. I just use them on myself, though. I try to use it twice a day so I could get more use. But yeah, not the straightest line, but that's where I'm at. And I love the scent. I spray it on my clothes. Like on my skin, it disappears. But like on my clothes, I could smell it kind of still. So I kind of like it. I like that. And I spray it again later on today. So I'll spray it again later on today is what I'm trying to say. Okay, and that I've used like a gazillion times. Teacher Loves Beauty is my next person. And I have the Natasha Denona. No. I haven't rolled her in yet. Okay, so a month ago I was going to update you guys, and I thought, let's write down people's names and pick some people. And I did, but I didn't update you guys. So like these goals have been met for a while now. So I'm rolling in Kim from Teacher Loves Beauty. And let me find the palette I have. Okay, here it is. It's the Cupid palette by Natasha Denona. I bought this, I believe, in Boxy Charms, like pop-up sale. I love Natasha Denona eyeshadows. My goal is to use this 5 times and get no pan left behind. I'm pretty sure I could do that by the end of the year sometime. Like I said, there's no end date on this project, so I will be using this eventually. And Kim is a great person. Go follow her, you guys. The next person is Monica Ariana, and she was doing the Petty Project Pan. So I had rolled in for that this peach palette by Too Faced, the Sweet Peach palette. I can't remember, was it in the Petty Project Pan she had it maybe? Or if this was like one of her pan palettes, I can't remember. But my goal is just no pan left behind on this palette. And it's so pretty. And yeah, I haven't really used it. I bought it and I felt like the packaging was very like not, I don't know. I felt like it wasn't like sealed good enough, you know? It still kind of has a scent to it. It's not as strong as it was when I first bought it. But yeah, I want to get no pan left behind on this guy. Here are the colors again. And that's from Monica Adriana. And I love watching her channel. Okay, I have a few more. But they're like pages away because I filled up that page. Okay, so the next one is for Kat from Kit Stitch. And I am going to use a ColourPop. It looks like a ColourPop Super Shock, and I have it right here. Yeah, I have it here because like I said, I was gonna do an update like a month ago, and I had everything ready like right here, and eventually like that Cupid palette went back to where it was. But for Kat, I left the Super Shock out. This is Frosted. She had worked on Out of Quartz, and it's another Super Shock highlighter. But I just want to hit pan on this. Like you can see, I've used it previously, so it's kind of like a little bit of a dip. So I'm going to roll this in for Cat from Knit Stitch. Here's the swatch of it. I think that's really pretty. I think it'll match me pretty well. I do in my 50 Shades of Yellow or Gold, I have a lot of highlighters, so this might take a back burner for a little bit until I get through some of those highlighters. And then last but not least, I have Laura Force, and I want to use the Sailor Moon palette and get 10 uses and no pan left behind. So here's my Sailor Moon by ColourPop. And here are the shades. I think this will be perfect for like spring. So it might be on the back burner for a little while, or I don't know, some fun looks on the weekends. It's very uplifting and bright of a palette, and it's Sailor Moon. So yeah, that is it, you guys, for my update. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll have everybody linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.